just different.
YouTube, what's going on? This Reesewill, yeah, I'm back at it. What a day to be a trucker, man. Hope y'all having a good day, good week. Whole lot of progress. I'm up here in Des Moines, Iowa. Had to take my truck to get serviced. Came from Indiana. Spent the weekend up here. You know, TMC put me up in a hotel. Got a load of galvanized steel, taking it to Ozark, Missouri. Paying a little over $1,700. Now I'll take it. It's the first of the month, August 1st. So Sunday. So I'm gonna head on down to Missouri from Iowa. About a 6-hour trip. The Bumblebee Strap Winder. Good morning, y'all. All flatbreaders, y'all should have this tool right here. Get you a 3/8 bit, put it in the drill, put it in here. Put your strap in like this and get the zipping. You get the zipping. Time is money, man. I ain't got time to be wasting time. You get what I'm saying? had a subscriber hit me up. He said he was a police officer for 20 years. He said I inspired him to go get his CDL. Now he's in South Carolina training for TMC. Shout out to my man Travis, out there doing his thing. Shout out to Devon, doing his thing in PNS. Shout out to Daniel. Shout out to Sean. I see y'all when I get back home. Look, they said it's a shortage in the industry, about 100,000 drivers. You want to go get your CDL? Just go ahead and do it. Put your mind to it and just do it. Progression is a weapon. Put God first.